CCRI's role then, as I said, in both projects is dissemination, communication, exploitation, very much at this translation, this interface between the scientists we're working with, but the farmers that we're working with as well, which has its own challenges. We want to use the right language. We want to avoid any suggestion of blame, for example. We want to be sensitive to their contexts and involve them as much as possible in the analysis of the data and think about what transition pathways there are away from their current practices. We're also advising policy and making recommendations for policy. And as I said earlier, we have to be really, really sure about our methods before we go and make policy recommendations, because they require the rigour. Any hint of uncertainty, I think there are a lot of industry bodies there that are quick to discredit some of these scientific outcomes unless they're really, really rigorous. And I know that's been quite a challenge in the Sprint project. So we really feel like this is new territory for us. It's cutting edge, it's very pioneering, it's very exciting for the scientists. They're super dedicated. They spend hours debating their methods about nanoplastics. So that's all new territory very much for us. Sprint are going to be having this high-level presentation at the UN Science Summit next week. Equally, MINAGRIS are involved in the FAO voluntary code. So I feel like we're kind of involved in a very progressive and interesting area of science. So it's great for us. Fortunately, I think the team have got scientific or health background between us. So just about hanging on there with our understanding about what's going on.